Life is given only once. And the truth is, most of us don't really live it. We just pass through it. Especially when we start getting older, we convince ourselves that there's no reason left to be happy. We say things like, youth is gone, strength is gone, people have changed, times have changed. But the real truth is, happiness never left. We just stopped noticing it. Happiness isn't in anyone else's hands. It's a decision we make every morning. You can spend your day complaining, or you can spend it being grateful. Both roads are open before you. One thing I've learned in life is this: happiness doesn't come from things, it comes from perspective. Some people live in palaces and still feel miserable, while others sit in tiny rooms and feel like the richest people in the world. The difference is only in how they think. When we grow old, our body gets tired, but the heart never gets old. We're the ones who forget it exists. We kill our desires, we bury our dreams, and then we tell ourselves, what's the point now? But the truth is, the point is now. Now, when you have time. Now, when you have wisdom. Now, when you finally understand where real happiness lives. Now is the time to live the life you never could in your youth. To be happy, you don't need anything big. Just watch the sunrise once in a while. Smile at an old photograph. Place your hand gently on a child's head. Life is made of small joys. But as we grow older, we start chasing only the big ones. And in that race, our hearts grow smaller. Remember this: when you smile, the energy inside your body changes. Your heartbeat softens, your breath becomes lighter, and your mind stops fighting reality. That is the science of happiness. If you truly want your days to be joyful, live by 3 simple rules. First, gratitude. What you already have is what millions don't. You can breathe, you can see, you can feel. That's a blessing. Second, movement. As long as you keep moving, you'll keep living. Even a 5-minute walk or planting a small flower in the garden, it all matters. The more your body stops, the sadder your heart becomes. Third, connection. Talk to people. Smile. Say hello. Happiness grows when you share it. The moment you isolate yourself from the world, you slowly start fading away. Being old doesn't mean life is over. It means now you have the wisdom that others are still searching for. Your words, your experience, your presence can become someone's hope. And always remember, happiness is never found outside. It's hidden inside you. All it needs is a smile, a single step, or one grateful moment to awaken it. So today, right now, make a promise to your heart. I will be happy. No matter what happens, I won't run away from life. I'll embrace it. Because happiness doesn't come with age. It comes with intention. And when your intention shines, even old age becomes a new kind of youth. Life isn't over. A new chapter has just begun. It's time to rediscover yourself, to smile again, and to show the world that happiness never dies. We just forget to remember it. So remember it now, because life is meant to smile.